The AC Infinity AIRTAP T4 booster fan noticeably increases airflow from underperforming floor or wall vents, helping even out temperatures in hard-to-heat or cool rooms. Its smart controller offers 10 distinct fan speeds plus heating and cooling triggers, so you can fine-tune performance instead of just relying on a simple on or off setting. Bluetooth connectivity and the companion application let you monitor vent conditions, set schedules, and receive alerts without needing to walk over to the register. The dual-fan engine is impressively quiet even at higher speeds, making it suitable for bedrooms, nurseries, and home offices where noise is a concern. A sturdy anodized aluminum housing with precise machining sits nearly flush with the vent opening, giving it a clean, built-in look rather than a clunky add-on appearance. As long as your duct opening matches the required 4-inch by 10-inch size, installation is straightforward and tool-light, turning a weak vent into a more effective outlet.